guys, and welcome to another Hello Neighbor video. And today we are going into the basement. I know we haven't quite got all the pallets yet, but I really want to show you what's in the basement, guys. So I'm gonna go in. You see, as we got double jump in the last video, we have it. How about we try to tease the neighbor with it? This makes no sense. He was right in front of me, dude. Like, you saw it, right? Fine, here. I'll teach him a new rule. Yeah, neighbor. Yeah. You never catch. Oh! Oh, no! Dude, how is he so fast? Let me check the settings. Yeah, friendly neighbor mode is on. He was sitting right behind me. I don't understand. Oh no, he's right behind us. I can tell. He's right behind us because I hear the sound. He probably is running up right now, right? Okay, guys, so I also want to do some other stuff too. Wait, that's a weird sound. I can barely even make it. Just jump is so hard. How can you do it? Oh, I did it. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna get this. The gramophone. You know what it is? You better do, or else you're not a Hello Neighbor. Oh, man, after anything I got a Hello Neighbor. Gramophones are so classic. Oh no! Guys, gramophone, neighbor. I stole your gramophone. Okay. Not the key card. Get away. Get here. How about I turn it on? Wow. I finally did it. Okay. Oh! How is this so on? How did the neighbor not even understand? You're just walking. Turn it off. Quick. Oh, don't you? Neighbor, stop. You're always patrolling your backyard. Wait, is that floating? Yeah, that's floating. You see it? Actually, before we do get into the neighbor's basement, I'm going to show you guys a classic glitch. I hope you know because it's so easy to find this glitch. It's literally in the neighbor's house. Yeah, neighbor. It's in your house, so. Okay, guys. First, we need to get the neighbor outside. What, can we actually even fill this up? I don't understand. Well, we're gonna leave our water to waste bad. Anyways, we need to get the neighbor outside. Yikes. Okay, guys, so we're gonna ready. We're so fast. Guys, this is the classic. We are going to go. Wow, neighbor, you're so slow. You're so fast. So I got double still after me? Oh. See this? Okay, guys, I'm gonna take my headphones off because I don't know what it sounds like. So yeah, watch. We're in the graveyard of the church. The neighbor can't get us from here. I also found a glitch when I was playing this one day. Not when I was at what is it? Yes, this is the neighbor's wife's grave. I'm sorry, guys, but we gotta. And we're just gonna fly, cause we're not. Okay, guys, so we're gonna go. I'm gonna show you more around this glitch. We're gonna save the game, cause then we can load it up from here. Well, not from here, like you know. So, guys. Okay, guys. So we're gonna go this way. See, there's the neighbor's house. You can see, right? Glitch Road. Don't know what happened there. But these cars are solid. They literally will be. Whoa! Look, I can literally fly all the way down. See, look, you made me go. Oh, yes, Garrett, you can go back. No, of course not. The cars can go through. For you, not really. Sorry guys, but I'm gonna have to get the saved game. I don't wanna get stuck there for. Anyways, back to our first goal. We're going to go into the basement. Or at least try to. But yeah. Don't exactly know where the neighbor is right now. Let's break his window and see. Let's see here. Oh, there's neighbor. Die! Can't see us. We need to click to our game. Oh, I thought we could just. Well, maybe I'll do that in another video. I know you guys really want me to go into the basement, but I kind of scared, so I think I'm gonna do it in another video. But first we're gonna. Ooh. Can't get up there, sadly. Can I? Oh, can we get up there? Whoa! Look at this. We can put our really down. Like, watch it. Oh. What happened? I had a window break. We literally lost the umbrella. Wait, did we break the neighbor's window? I literally, you heard that, right, guys? I had a window break. Broke the one up here. Guys, I don't know. But that's actually kind of creepy. We also lost our umbrella, so. It's even worse. But guys, you heard that, right? I heard a window break. Neighbor? Are you okay? Cause I heard a window break. Actually. What did I do? Go watch it. Neighbor, like literally, I heard a window break. Did you do that? Wait, what is that doing? I see you keep closing. Don't know what this little is. Wait, did we break a window in our car? Cause I heard a window break. I don't know. Maybe he wants a gramophone. Dude, wait, what is he doing? What's he doing? I don't like the neighbor because actually now I don't even want to gun the house. Because I heard something break. A window, like, literally, guys, I heard it break. Did you? Because I did. Maybe the mail broke. Oh, what am I doing? There is no mail. I don't even want to do that, neighbor. Neighbor. You knocked down his TV. What did you do that for? Well, guys, that was mysterious. I showed you the glitch. And try to break it. How about we just get in the neighbor outside? Break the neighbor's window. Get some milk. Whatever this is. Whoa, that was strong. So we're wait. And whoopsie daisy. Oh! Well, see you guys. Actually, no. How? What should we do now? What should we do now? I know what to do now. Want me to tell you a secret that I know? We are the neighbor's son. And also, we killed the neighbor's daughter. The wife got into a car accident. And, oh yeah, can I also tell you that I think the neighbor is a good guy. Now what's the neighbor's doing? He's very careful at night. I don't know why though. And also we're still missing an umbrella and that window that we probably broke for no reason. Fixed. He's very careful at night. What's this? Do you? Oh. What you looking at, neighbor? What you looking at? Yeah. No! No! That's so fun. Remember those glitches those days? You can't get me that easily though. Now it's double jump. That's so fun. At daylight, he probably, is the neighbor okay? He was like, I'm okay with that. Let's try one more glitch for the episode. Thing is, hold on. So remember, don't remember, but in the alpha versions there was a gramophone over there, but I don't know why it's not in this version. Hello, neighbor. Maybe it just is. Wait, is that a lockpick? That's a lockpick. Wait a minute. That's a lockpick. Where is that? Guys, wait, guys. Remember we got the magnet? Oh, did we get the magnet? Guys, I see a lockpick. It's a magnet. I don't care when I get caught by the thing. Oh yeah, that's defended by. I'm just kidding. Neighbors, a big neighbors. Final boss. Like, look, guys. I see a lockpick. Can I show you again? I don't know how to zoom in though. That's the only problem. Like, literally, I can see a silver lockpick over there. Remember, guys, the silver lockpick? Oh, I see it again. Look, right there. Okay, yeah. We're gonna. Wait, what? What did I do? Hey, no! Hey, you can't do this, neighbor. Excuse me, dude. I'm trying to. You know what? Fine. We're gonna get that silver lockpick, guys. Cause I literally see a silver lockpick. I'm not kidding, guys. There's literally a silver lockpick right there. Fine, I'll show you again, but this time in super close version. Go. Neighbor can't catch me. Okay, guys. There's literally a silver lockpick. You can see it as clear as dusk. Go. Look. Okay. 1 second. Let me put that. Okay, guys, we're gonna go to the silver lockpick. This is what I want. Whether it takes whether it takes a long time or not, because I really want that silver lockpick. I want it. That must be a hidden. That must be an Easter egg item. Because why else would it be there? I've never seen any silver lockpicks like that. Can we walk through these trees? I've never seen a silver lockpick in this act. And I've never seen a magnet in this act. So if we found a magnet, guys, when you can comment below, because I forgot if we got a magnet or not. But guys, we're gonna get that silver lockpick whether you like it or not. But I've never seen a silver lockpick in Hello Neighbor. Well, yes, I have, but like in Act 1, no. Act 1, yes. Act 2, no. Act 3, now, yes, but before, no. So we're coming to the horizon. I've never been this close to this place. Coming to the horizon of our neighborhood. Oh. Are you kidding me? Oh, can you only see it at a certain time though? Oh, that's a good question. But see you guys next time.